王是非常土豆啊。
没关系，没关系，没关系。Would you mind to introduce yourself a little bit？
可以啊，可以啊。
嗯
那个大家好啊，我是王一博。
嗯，
呃我是中文2年。
2年。
我是美国人啊，我来自丹佛
丹佛。
，Colorado 丹佛。
好好。
啊。
嗯
对对。我现在我刚我我刚我搬家了。我刚才搬家去华盛顿 DC，是
嗯，
美国的首都。你们知
首都。
道了啊？
嗯
对，America，美
嗯
国的 capital。我的工作是安楼安全，我做cyber security
嗯
industry。
嗯
还有我在中国时候，我就在
嗯，
2年多在东北啊，东
在
北
东北
辽宁。
啊。你喜欢东
对，
北吗？你喜欢东北吗？
非常。
非常喜
当然了，
欢。
当然了。
真的吗？
非常热。是
啊
酸菜饺子就是
嗯
在东北啊，这么好吃。
哦。
哪个城市啊？什么时候我在大连城市，city is called 大连 in
嗯
Northeast China。
，right
在这
right。
里我教英文。我是高学生我说的对吗？High school
留
teacher。
学生高中老师是吗？高中老
对的。
师。
之前我是公找老师是吧？I think
高中老师，高中老
高
师。
中老师。对的
对
啊。
对。
那个九扁啊。
嗯
对呀，就是就是啊。你
嗯，
有别的问题啊？我可以帮你联系这个作业今天的课。
作
我们
业连这不是作业，这是课。
这不是作业啊。
当然不是
作业作业
作业。你是不是想
作业啊。
你想做
对。
作业吗？我可以留点作业
大家，
给你啊。
你觉得老师
嗯，
可以给作业吗？我觉得可以啊。
可以给做，大家会教吗？你觉得大家会
经
教
过你的
吗？
水平啊，如果他给的作业。嗯，so yes，and 老师谢你啊，谢你给我的再上来你的房间啊。啊。
好，没关系，没关系。哎，你是不是喜欢那个王一博啊？为什么你的中文名字叫王一博啊？
这个问题啊
嗯
，if I had $1 for every time someone asked me this question，有钱，I'd be rich，OK？为什么王一博？我的英文名字是 Bo，OK？So 博和
，OK
Bo 和
OK。
博是一样的，听起来是一样，是吗？所以一博是不能写easy to understand。
OK，easy to
And then
understand。
Wang is just a very Wang is a common name, right？many
Yeah，com
中国
common
人
yeah
叫
surname
王。
surname 王一博。
So
这
王一博，
just a
王一
co
博，我知道是王一
coincidence。
博。
just
我
a
知道，对，
coincidence right。
很大的巧合。It's a
yeah
very big difference.
yeah yeah very
So
very big yeah。
But 但是我在中国时候，我打了以后，我的学生们他们都叫王一博，王老师，你知道王一博是谁呀？他是非常有名的小鲜肉。小鲜肉什么意思啊？啥意思啊？我
你不是你
问他们啊。So yeah, I know 王一博，OK，but 当时我是美国王一博，不是中国还是大连王一博都可以啊。
你是大连王一博。
大连王一博这么
对对
行啊，这个挺好。I
对
like
对
大连。
对对。
But I just want to tell everyone，大家，我想告诉你们啊，为什么说中文啊？为什么这是我的认为啊？I started studying Chinese，我开始了在澳大利亚，在 Sydney Australia 因为就是 at the time 那时候我的工作是销售，I was a salesperson，and
salesperson understand。
我们的客人，我们有很多的中国人客人机会 opportunity，but 因为我们不可能跟他们聊，we can't talk to them，right？So
That's why you learn
I
Chinese。
对呀，突然我觉得，Oh my God，我天呐！如果我可以会说一点中文，我可以给我 self 一个机会，more sales，more opportunity。
right
然
right
后，
right。
就是 it became my passion。这么说老师，我的 passion I fell in love with it，the language。
Why is that?
啊、
Many people think it's very hard。
it look, anything's hard, okay? Any language, Spanish,
Yeah.
French, Farsi, I don't care. You're gonna have a hard time learning any language. But don't make it
Yeah. Good point. Good point.
like. And here's the other thing I want to tell people.
Yeah.
You don't need to have some like crazy gushu, okay? You don't need to have some crazy story to study. You don't need to like someone died or something passionate. All it takes is a commitment to it. Okay,
Right,
there's no
right.
easy way. It's gonna be hard. Okay,
Right.
you just have to do it every day.
Right.
All right, and be
Right.
selfish about it. Speak with someone every chance you get. Every
Yeah.
Chinese person, 如果我看到一个中国人
你会跟他
every
说
single
话
time I can speak to them. 我跟他们说话中文 even if they don't want to speak Chinese. 他们要说英文 You know, you got to be selfish about it, okay? It's your life. You're trying to learn the language.
Yeah. Yeah, listen to
Every
Wang Yibo, you guys.
Okay, every opportunity you can do it. It's not going to be easy. Okay, it's not supposed to be. All right. If it was easy, everybody would do it. But,
Yeah,
but
right.
quit telling yourself that your language is hard because you're just 不骗自己啊 How you say?
对对
Just
对，
don't
不
lie
能
to
欺
yourself.
骗自己，不能欺骗自己。
Exactly. Don't
Yeah.
lie to yourself.
Don't lie
right?
to
You-
yourself.
Yeah.
How much time do you put into learning Chinese every day?
Do you really want to know?
Yeah,
I'm going to
yeah.
tell you guys.
I really want to know.
Okay, so listen. I don't listen to any American music. I don't watch English TV shows. All I do every day is watch Chinese TV show, 电视show. Jin Dong is my favorite 演员, my favorite
Oh,
actor.
Jin Dong. Oh, I know this guy.
So I just immerse myself in the language.
Yeah.
The radio, if I have the news on, it's Chinese news. Okay, I just saw CGTV. They did the rocket blast in China 3 days ago.
Right.
Very big deal. I communicate. I'm on this app every day in the voice room. So what I'm saying is you have to put yourself in an environment that is to your language, okay? And it has to be an everyday thing. So I would say I would say 5 to 6 hours every day.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right.
It's coming
Immerse yourself into this language. Immerse yourself into this language. Immersion,
sometimes
obsession.
Right.
Right.
Dude, I'm in these voice rooms. Probably a lot of people already have seen me in these voice rooms, but I'm in the voice rooms at least an hour and a half a day. I talk to my Chinese friends. 在中国，我的中国人朋友们在微信。
对对。
I'll do a video call with them. I just got off one for 1 hour, 一个小时. That's already 2.5 hours of just talking. And I still have 在美国现在是中午啊. It's not even late, right?
I see.
So I still have Chinese class tonight. 今天晚上我有2个小时2个半小时上课 Chinese class for 2.5 hours. 8点半晚上。
非常好，非常好。
So, you know, I just want to tell you guys, like, if you're doing an hour a day and you think you're going to learn and
No,
the gym,
it's not gonna work.
Like,
Not gonna work.
it's not.
Yeah,
Okay.
not gonna work. Especially in the beginning, you need to have the immersion, the very intense learning. That's how you will make progress, right?
100% every day you should be using an opportunity to study your language. Okay.
Yeah,
Especially Zhongwen. Like Chinese is a language that if you don't use it, you'll lose it quick. 对吧，老师？
对对对
So-
对。I think it's in every language you need to input and output. You need to practice. You don't practice, you forget it very quickly.
对，太对了，
对吧？
你说的太对。
对吧？对对。那你
Yes.
你会写中文吗？你应该会写吧？
So, you know, guys, there's no secret, okay? 我不可以给你一个秘密啊。I can't give you like a special power. Kelly Lao Shi, she's gonna tell you the same thing. You just gotta put your mind to it. You gotta do it every day. It needs to be on your. It has to be like from start to finish. Okay, and you'll notice the progress. And the crazy thing is, 老师，你告诉我说的对啊，我说实话。When you start studying every day and really putting in time, you'll notice the progress, and then you'll want to do it more. It motivates you to study more.
Yeah, for me it's the case, but I don't know for some people because I'm motivated. You are motivated too. I know how you feel.
Like, but here's the thing: do not mistake the feeling of being motivated to take action and do something, do not wait for that, okay? Like, it's not some magical feeling that's going to hit you. If you don't have motivation to do something, the number one thing you can do is do something. Like, just do something. Just act.
Yeah.
Just take action, and the
Yeah.
motivation will follow.
Yeah.
You know?
Do you feel like for a beginner, do you think they are better to follow a teacher to learn, or they just learn by themselves to watch some videos on social media? Which one do you think is better?
So I started by myself. I would
Yeah.
not recommend that. I would not
Yeah.
recommend.
It's hard.
I started just learning phrases like ni hao, ni duo da,
I see. Basic
like I
ones.
just common phrases, right? And I would just repeat those every day to Chinese friends and people and strangers. And but you can really cut the time down if you just get like I've always had a teacher one-on-one since I started Chinese. I started doing one-on-one classes. Kelly, I don't know if you provide that.
Yeah,
I'm sure you
I
do.
provide that. Yeah.
Dude, and it's not like an expensive thing, okay? Like an hour a day with a Chinese teacher, one-on-one, or even
Yeah.
3 students in your class, 4 students on the internet,
上
online
网
class,
课，上网课。
I've been doing that for years. I do
Yeah.
that every day, Monday through Thursday now, and I've been doing that since I started, and it's changed everything because you can understand different things like 中文文化, like the culture. You can ask questions.
Right. Correct. Yeah, exactly right.
So it's so important to have a teacher. I mean, look, everybody that you know in life, Elon Musk, LeBron James, rest in peace,
They all have
Stephen
teacher.
Curry,
They all have mentor.
they
Right?
all had teachers. Okay,
Yeah.
Warren Buffett, they had a mentor. So you're not
Yeah.
special. Don't think that you can do it by yourself.
Yeah. You are an inspiration for a lot of them in the room.
Well,
Yeah.
you're an inspiration to me.
Right?
You know.
Uh-huh.
So anyway, guys, that's all I got. Okay, Lasha, thank you so much for putting me on the stage.
You're
here.
welcome. You can come up again if you want.
Absolutely. And
Okay.
thank you guys, everybody. Remember, dude, you got to stick to it. It's going to be hard. Don't look for shortcuts. They won't pay off in the long run. Just grit it up and do it every day and immerse yourself in everything. News, media, TV shows. Watch Chinese TV shows. Stop watching Stranger Things on Netflix, okay? I mean, damn, it ain't good. Quit watching Peaky Blinders, okay? Goddamn, put on a Chinese show. I'll recommend you some. If you guys want to message me, I got a ton of Chinese TV shows and music.
Yeah.
My Spotify playlist is all Chinese. If you guys want some, I got everything on there. I got Eric Cho, I got You Dian, I got Ren Ran, Fei Niao Fe Chan. I got it all.
好多好多，
That's
真
what you guys
是。
need to get to. All right, Locke, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna 我要走了啊。
好好，拜拜拜拜拜拜，See you next time，拜拜，再见。OK。